Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a good day and I hope that things are going well for you. So this is my second video for the day. It's simply a quick update of the Bitcoin price and the general market conditions. Obviously everybody's worried, things are dropping down and people are falling in a panic and people are blaming each other and blaming companies and blaming the governments. But you know what, I don't sign up to any of that stuff. I strongly stay to the saying of show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. Like right here, what we can see in the first news article in the CoinDesk, as soon as I open it, I can see that there are some blame game going on straight away. So we can see that the Waves founder blames short sellers for its woes. Basically for the Waves price crashing down from it reached massive all-time highs, I think up to around $60 a couple of days ago, and it started dropping. It was simply a parabolic run in my opinion, and it was just time for reversal. The whole market, including the S&P 500, started reversing down, dragging the cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin with it. It's just normal. There is nothing unusual about that. Waves had something like 6x. It's 6 times in its value. So really and truly, it's just normal. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the Bitcoin charts and let's see what has happened. All right, so we've got a chart of Bitcoin here. A couple of days ago, for the last few days, in fact, this week, we've been talking about this triangle and about this breakout through this level here. And like I said, if the price falls back into this triangle, we are potentially in some trouble here. But don't go away just yet, because I don't think it's all bad news completely. So, you know, it's not all lost at all. So at the moment we have fallen back into this triangle. Technically, this now can be considered as a fake out. However, looking at the whole total sort of the larger picture of the chart, we can see that we broke through this trend line, consolidated, broke through it, although it was a fake out, right? Now, the thing is that you can see this 50 moving average. Usually when the price is in a trend or goes in a trend, it breaches the highs right here. Look at this. So these highs, they were down sloping line of resistance, but once it finally broke it, it oftentimes comes and retests these levels. That is nothing unusual at all. I don't think there is any reason to be falling in a panic just yet. It all could turn out to be positive. Sometimes pattern trading simply doesn't work. It's trading, it's the world of trading, you know, nothing works out 100% of time. When it doesn't, we revert back to the other means, we go back to basics and we look where the price is and what it's actually doing. So right now, right here, what we can see, the price has dropped back into this triangle. However, currently on daily chart, Bitcoin price is being supported by this 50 period moving average. 50 period moving average is a very, very powerful moving average. Institutions use it, top traders use it, retail traders use it, everyone uses it. So when an indicator is used by large group of people with a lot of money, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. But really, if you look here in the history, the Bitcoin has been respecting the 50 moving average, and then once it started poking through it, it actually had a massive rise up. It broke through it 27%. 27%, that's a huge move over a period of 2 weeks. So it's just normal and expected to have some sort of retracement. Besides that, we were coming into a massive VPVR resistance as well as this resistance here, and perfectly got rejected. That's absolutely fine. If we get held by this moving average now, and tomorrow we start to show, or day after tomorrow we start to show some more positive signs, we might just be saved by that and actually continue our journey higher. That's all providing that S&P 500 is doing well. Let's quickly check the S&P 500. What is the S&P doing? pretty much the same thing. As we can see, in January this year, it broke through 50 moving average. It actually lived below it for quite a while, but since then it has actually gone all the way back up, breaching these highs here, just poking the head through them, and come to have a little retracement back to 50 moving average. So it is fully possible that tomorrow or by Friday we're gonna start reversing back up and actually taking out these highs. If not, if we break below it and tomorrow go lower, I would be much more cautious. I would probably be looking to sell my altcoin positions and basically going in cash. But currently, I'm not stressed, I'm not panicking. Oftentimes, Ethereum is a leading indicator for Bitcoin. So what it means is that Ethereum actually runs first and then Bitcoin follows, or Ethereum gets rejected at some sort of resistance and then starts going down and Bitcoin follows, or Ethereum gets rejected and Bitcoin suddenly falls. That is often the case. So that's why when I want to get like a general view of the markets, of the crypto markets, I actually look at Ethereum's price. So what we can see here, we are on chart of Ethereum, daily chart. What we can see is the same kind of thing. We've broken through this 50 moving average recently. We broke through on 17th of March, and since then had a massive, huge rally up. But we've been stopped by this 50 moving average. Sorry, not 50 moving average. We've been stopped by 50 Fibonacci, which is right here. If you can see it, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but I'll point it out for you here. So we've been basically stopped exactly by this 50. So the way I got this 50 is like this. This is the fib. It starts right up here at the highs, and then coming down to the very, very lows. And as you can see, the price went perfectly and bounced on 50. Ethereum is one of those cryptocurrencies that very often respects longer term 50 Fibonacci. You can check it yourself. Time and time again, you will see that it is respecting 50 Fib. So anyway, it's been rejected from 50 Fib and coming for a retracement back down. I believe that now we are I've thrown on another Fib. I will show you how I got it. Since this was a bearish Fib, now the large one, now that we made this huge move, we can put on a bull. Okay guys, so now we've got the Fibonacci, the bullish Fibonacci in different style, as you can see here, so we don't get mixed up what Fib is what. So right now we can see that the Ethereum price got rejected off this black line of the 50 longer term bearish Fib, and now we've thrown on this bullish Fib. Now the price is coming back down, probably to retest the bullish Fib 61.8, or even more likely it's going to come down to 50 Fibonacci line down here, where I've put this purple box here, which would also coincide with this 50 moving average. So the price probably still has at least Ethereum price about 6%, 6 to 7% to come down before it starts having some more bullish action. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, but we will see. One thing I have to mention is if the price comes down here and breaks through this 50 and starts heading lower, I would be very, very cautious, and again, I'd be looking to sell my altcoin positions for a short term or maybe longer term, because if we look on the chart, as a whole, there is a very high potential that the price might actually break down and start heading even lower and breaking these lows and heading even much lower to these sort of levels. We can never exclude that. People who say that this will never happen, well, they are wrong. Things that you don't expect in trading happen, and actually things you expect the least do happen. We hope that that's not gonna happen, but if it does, then we're gonna evaluate the situation as it comes, when it comes. So equally, it could simply now, because of this bullish move, start bouncing off these bullish fibs here and making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. That's equally possible. But we don't think what we're gonna do. We think we don't think what the price is gonna do. We think what we're gonna do when price gets there. And we trade from level to level, either we're going up or down, makes no difference. We make money both ways. We just need to make rational decisions at points when it happens. So that will be all for the video tonight, guys. Thank you very much for coming back and watching my video. Please subscribe, please like the video, drop something in a comment, and definitely click those like buttons, because that's what really makes me happy and that's what really gonna make my channel grow. So I will see you back tomorrow with another video. Every weekday I'm making a video. That's my promise from me to you. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you very much, guys, and come back tomorrow. Peace.